Diabetes mellitus, that is high blood sugar, is a major killer disease of the modern era. Not in one day, but gradually over a period of time. What makes it more dangerous is that it damages our body silently, and by the time the symptoms reveal themselves, the damage is irreversible. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Adarsh Singh, and today I'm going to explain you how diabetes is a killer disease and how you can prevent the complications. But first, what is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes mellitus is a disease where your body's ability to produce insulin or the activity of the insulin decreases, as a result of which there is increase in the blood sugar level. So what is wrong with this increased blood glucose level? Normally, insulin's work is to shift the blood glucose into the cells for its proper utilization and maintain a steady level of glucose in the blood. When insulin activity decreases, higher amount of glucose stays in the blood and is not utilized by the cells. This high level of glucose in the blood is toxic for all the organs in our body, and over time it affects different organs, causing irreversible damage. So what are the symptoms of diabetes mellitus? The commonest symptoms of diabetes are the 3 P's, that is polyphagia, which means increased hunger and increased food consumption, polydipsia, that is increased thirst, and polyuria, that is increased urine production. But these symptoms are so subtle that people do not even understand that they are having any problem, as a result of which people remain undiagnosed for a long time. So when to say that you have diabetes mellitus? In the blood test, when your fasting blood sugar is more than 126 mg per dl, or your PP blood sugar, that is blood sugar 2 hours after food intake, is more than 200 mg per dl, or random blood sugar is more than 200 mg per dl, or your HbA1c value more than 6.5%, then you are said to have diabetes mellitus. Usually, people are diagnosed as diabetes incidentally, either during a health checkup or during blood test for some other health problems. Hence, in medical field, it is considered that if a person is diagnosed with diabetes today, then he or she may be suffering from the effects of diabetes since at least 5 years. So what are the complications of diabetes and how it is a killer disease? Diabetes affects almost all the organs in our body. Let's name them from head to toe and the complications associated with it. Number 1. Brain. It increases the risk of stroke and decreases the brain function capacity. Number 2. Eyes. It damages our lens, causing cataract, and causes irreversible damage to our retina, leading to loss of vision. Number 3. Heart. It increases the risk of heart attack and other heart problems. Number 4. Kidneys. It damages the kidneys irreversibly and makes them dialysis dependent. In fact, the most common cause for people undergoing dialysis is diabetic kidney disease. Legs. In legs, it affects the blood vessels, leading to decreased blood supply to the legs. Also, it affects the nerve supply of the legs, due to which there is decreased sensation in the legs. Both of these factors contribute to the development of ulcers and gangrene in the legs and become the cause for amputation of the leg. Apart from legs, nerve supply of other parts of our body are also affected, leading to impairment in motor and sensory systems. And on top of all these, diabetes suppresses a person's immunity, making them susceptible to all sorts of mild to serious infections, including pneumonia, urinary tract infections, and severe COVID-19 infection. Also, uncontrolled diabetes delays healing of wound. So what can be done? To prevent any of these complications, the best thing that can be done is to keep your blood sugar level in control. So early detection of diabetes and good control of blood sugar with medicine, diet and exercise forms the key. If you are a non-diabetic person, then annual health checkup with blood test for diabetes is a healthy practice, so that you do not remain undiagnosed for a long time. And if you are a diabetic person, then regular blood glucose test at 2 to 3 months interval, or as per your doctor's recommendation, is a good practice to keep yourself in check. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any queries, please mention in the comment section. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.